me, the funnest part of gardening is always the trellis, which just starting off, we're not going to have much, but we're going to try to get some good solid trellis here, and eventually we'll have it set up to where it's functional and looks cool. If you're going to dig, dig. Don't make me do all the work. I'm going to start renting her out just for 10 bucks an hour. She'll dig your post holes for you. Well, better make that 5 bucks an hour. She can get distracted pretty easy. Get him, Sadie, get him. All right, let's go ahead and get these marked out. I'm just marking these every 5 inches and then drilling a little pilot hole to make screwing in the hook a little easier. Just so you know, if you're using a setup like this, if you try pushing it in, that comes off. What you do is you grab this and pull out. And I know it seems counterintuitive, but if you push it in, both of these have these gaps. So you take this, just put a little tension to the outside, screw it in. Now to do a little Florida weave. And we're gonna prune these guys one more time today too. I put these little tie downs up to 40 inches. We're not gonna have tomato plants that are 40 inches tall this year. So I'm just gonna take them up to 30 inches. And after couple of years when we get the soil better, we will probably have to add the higher trellis on, but not for this year. Now when you do this style and your plants are this size, so let me find, well, I started this one. So you see this plant here It's pretty large for not having any trellis. This has got this little S-shaped stem here, so that one's a little goofy. And then we'll go ahead and get, see these branches, these right here, they have all these holes in them. I don't know what that is, but I don't like it. So we are going to get rid of that. This is the way that I do it. You see, we have this bottom one right here, and I offset these purposefully, so I take this and it creates a lot of tension to take it to the other side of that bottom trellis there, and that tends to hold them more upright. All right, we have that middle row trellis and pruned. Well, this has been an exciting week. We managed to get all 74 of our chickens processed, put in the freezer. We got some dog food made, and then we just ended with doing a little Florida weave with our tomato plants, with this being the first year of the garden. So I'm looking forward to follow-up years as we amend the soil and see how much we can actually improve the yield out of our vegetable garden. As always, thanks for watching.